What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we got Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 5G smartphone with us and we are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, its design, features, build quality, hardware specs and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So here at the top of the retail box, we got the image showing front and back of the device, Redmi Note 13 5G branding. Here we got the information that comes with 8GB RAM, 256GB storage and the color variant we got inside is the ocean teal as you can see here. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. Redmi by Xiaomi. Here we got a SIM card tray ejector pin, some quick start guide, user manuals. Here is a case for the back panel. Here is the Redmi Note 13 5G, a 33-watt charger and a USB Type-C cable. So these are the stuff we got inside the retail box of Redmi Note 13 5G, the smartphone, some quick start guide, case for the back panel, 33-watt charger, USB Type-C cable and the SIM card tray ejector pin. So here is our Redmi Note 13 5G in ocean teal color and as you can see it's looking very beautiful and premium. So it's time to set up the device now. So the setup is done and we are good to go with our Redmi Note 13 5G. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. So on the front side, we got a 6.67-inch display with 91% screen to body ratio. So the front side is basically just display. The bezels are extremely thin on all four sides. The side bezels are 1.5 mm thick, the bottom bezel is 2.25 mm thick and the top bezel is just 2 mm thick. As you can see, it comes with a physical proximity sensor. Right at the top center, we got the punch hole where you will find the front facing camera. Right above it, there is a tiny slit for the earpiece. At the top, we got 3.5 mm jack, primary microphone, IR blaster. At the bottom, we got the speaker grill, primary microphone, USB Type-C port. On the left side, we got the SIM card tray slot where you will find 2 nano SIM card slot and the SIM2 slot can be used for the memory card as well. On the right side you will find the volume button along with the power button beneath which fingerprint sensor is embedded. On the back of the device, we got this nice glittering effect that looks beautiful and quite premium. At the bottom, we got the Redmi 5G branding along with regulatory information. At the top, you will find the rear camera module that is same in the color as the rest of the back panel. The camera module bump is a bit high. We got this 108 megapixel triple camera branding and you can see we got this nice circular ring around the flash mimicking the camera shutter that is looking quite beautiful and premium as well. The screen of Redmi Note 13 5G is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and it also comes with a screen protector pre-applied on it. The device comes with IP54 water and dust resistance and the frame as well as the back panel is made of plastic. The frame is very flat. The same goes with the back panel as well. The frame is just 7.6 mm thick and Redmi Note 13 5G weighs just 175 grams. So it is pretty lightweight and provides a nice grip while holding the device in hand, and because of the huge screen to body ratio, you will be able to use the device with one hand without facing any issue. Talking about the display, we got a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, 10-bit 1 billion color reproduction, 5:1 contrast ratio, 2400 x 1080p resolution and support for DCI-P3 color gamut. So the PPI you will get is around 400, that's pretty high, and because of that the display of Redmi Note 13 5G is just beautiful. You can see how sharp is the display and even if I bring it so close to the camera you won't see any pixelation. The colors are vibrant, beautiful and the viewing angles are great as well. The maximum peak brightness is 500 nits and as you can see it is bright enough so you won't feel much issues while using the device in bright sunny outdoors. As you can see it comes with 120Hz refresh rate and at 120Hz the display is very smooth as you can see here, and the lowest brightness is also quite low and it does not come with any kind of screen flickering issue as you can see. so you won't feel any issue while using the device in low light situation, because the Redmi Note 13 5G comes with 1920Hz PWM dimming, and it also got TUV Rhineland low blue light certification, TUV Rhineland flicker free certification, as well as the TUV Rhineland circadian friendly certification. It also comes with 2160Hz touch sampling rate, so if you like to play games on your smartphone, then you will be happy with the touch sensitivity on Redmi Note 13 5G while playing games. So the display of Redmi Note 13 5G is top notch and the best in its price segment. Redmi Note 13 5G comes with MediaTek Dimensity 6080 5G processor, Mali G57 GPU, we got 8GB RAM, 256GB storage. It comes with memory extension features, so you can expand the RAM up to 8GB more, so you can get total 16GB of RAM on Redmi Note 13 5G, and out of 256GB, 28.3GB is preoccupied by the pre-installed ROM and application, so you will get around 228GB free once you start using the device. And if that is not sufficient for you, then you can use the SIM2 slot to use a memory card on your Redmi Note 13 5G to expand the storage. Talking about the camera, we got a 16 megapixel front facing camera that can record 1080p resolution videos at 30 fps. On the back of the device, we got 108 megapixel primary camera with 3x in sensor zoom. We got 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and 2 megapixel macro lens. As you can see, it does not come with a dedicated telephoto lens, but instead of that, we got the in-sensor zoom. So we will see how good the 3x zooming capability of the device is going to be on Redmi Note 13 5G. If you launch the camera application, this is the user interface you will find. So you can see that it comes with 0.6x wide angle mode. We got 2x toggle as well. Since it comes with 3x in sensor zoom, I would prefer if instead of 2x there was 3x toggle. And here you can see that it comes with flash. You got the HDR mode, dedicated macro mode, AI camera, timer, voice shutter, tilt shift, timed burst and watermark. If you go to video, you can see we can record 1080p resolution videos at 30 fps and 720p HD videos at 30 fps as well. So there is no 4K video recording, there is no 60 fps video recording on our Redmi Note 13 5G. It comes with a dedicated 108 megapixel imaging mode as well, and then we got the document mode, we got the photo mode, we got the portrait mode. There is a dedicated night mode as well. If you go to more, you can see it comes with pro mode, short video, panorama, slow motion and time lapse. So in terms of features, we got plenty of them on our Redmi Note 13 5G here, and it is looking quite feature rich as well. So we will see how good the performance of Redmi Note 13 5G camera is going to be in our upcoming videos. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. In terms of software, the Redmi Note 13 5G comes with Android 13 with MIUI 14 on top of it. So it does not come with the Xiaomi's latest HyperOS pre-installed, and you will get it via a software update. Xiaomi's MIUI is pretty feature rich, as we have already seen in our previous videos, and the same goes with Redmi Note 13 5G as well. As you can see, we got plenty of options that you can use to improve your productivity and do various customization to have a nice user experience. But it also comes with plenty of bloatware, as you can see here. The only relief is that Xiaomi provides the option to uninstall all of these bloatware if you do not want to use on your Xiaomi smartphone. And the user interface is very smooth, as you can see here, and you can give the credit to MIUI 14 as well as the 120Hz refresh rate display. So at the first glance, the Redmi Note 13 5G is looking one of the best smartphone in its price segment, as it comes with nice build quality, huge screen to body ratio, the best display in this price segment, 5000 mAh battery with 33 watt fast charging, a very beautiful design and colors, and 108 megapixel 3x in sensor zoom camera. But this is just a first impression video. Many more videos of Redmi Note 13 5G will be available very soon on this channel. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.